Hey everyone, it's Tom here, and today we're going to talk about our mini maintenance kits. Now this is one of the on-site kits that a customer can do to help upkeep and maintain their unit. This one here is recommended every 6 to 12 months depending on use, and it replaces the dynamic injection seals in your unit. Now the dynamic seals are going to be the seals that are basically making contact with the chemical and creating the injection process in this unit, so they're very important that we upkeep and maintain them for proper injection rates. Each one of these kits comes with easy to follow and pictured instructions in both English and Spanish, and we do also have walkthrough videos and downloadable instructions that you can get right to your phone for doing this on site right at the unit. For more information, you can always give us a call or shoot us a message, and thanks for watching.